future business leaders. Welcome to Futurepreneurs Insights, your simple guide to mastering business knowledge and MBA concepts. If you're thinking of doing an MBA or wondering what an MBA actually is, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll simplify it all for you, so stay tuned till the end. Let's break it down. What exactly is an MBA? Why should you do it? What will you learn? And what can you do after completing it? I'll explain everything in simple, easy words. So, first of all, what is an MBA? Let's start from the basics. MBA stands for Master of Business Administration. It's a postgraduate degree that focuses on teaching you how to manage businesses, whether it's a small startup, a large corporation, or even your own company. Think of MBA as a toolkit. Inside, you'll find skills like leadership, decision making, marketing strategies, finance knowledge, and how to run a successful organization. It usually takes 1-2 years to complete, and anyone from any background, science, arts, commerce, can apply. Next is, why is an MBA important? Now, you might ask, why should you do an MBA? Here are 5 key reasons. First is gain in-depth business knowledge. Learn how businesses actually work. Second, leadership skills. Become confident in leading teams. Third, career growth and promotions. Opens doors to managerial positions. Fourth, start your own business. Provides tools to become an entrepreneur. Fifth, networking opportunities. Connect with like-minded professionals. So whether you dream of becoming a CEO, a business consultant, or launching your own startup, MBA gives you that solid foundation. Next one is, what do you learn in MBA? In an MBA program, you learn subjects that are practical and useful in real business life. Marketing, finance, human resource management, operations, business strategy, entrepreneurship, economics, organizational behavior. Don't worry if it sounds heavy. Most MBA programs teach these step by step using case studies and real examples. Now, the next segment is MBA specializations. The best part, you can choose to specialize in a specific area that interests you the most. Marketing, finance, human resource management, information technology, IT, international business, operations management, entrepreneurship. For example, if you're creative and love branding, go for marketing. If you love numbers, finance is perfect for you. Passionate about starting your own company? Choose entrepreneurship. Next thing is career opportunities after MBA. Now let's talk about what happens after you finish your MBA. You could be marketing manager, financial analyst, business consultant, HR manager, operations head, entrepreneur, or startup founder, project manager. An MBA opens doors in almost every industry: banking, IT, healthcare, consulting, e-commerce, and more. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about learning how to think strategically, solve problems, and lead teams effectively. So that's the complete guide, simplified. An MBA gives you the knowledge, skills, and confidence to grow in your career or build your dream business. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Futurepreneurs Insights, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload more business lessons and MBA tips. Your journey to becoming a future business leader starts here.